Don't be scared to go for that painting, that paneling, that makeover of that room. I promise you, you are going to love it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alexandra. In today's video we are making over my main bedroom after 2 years of moving in. I'm going to use this Egyptian cotton paint from Dulux. That has been my favorite paint. I just used a tape to tape the other side of the wall so that I don't put paint on it before I start painting, and I also used my brush to do the lining at the sides, edges, before I go in with my brush or my roller. Yep. So I will make the whole way clean. Some parts that I may need brush I'll be using in between, so I'm going to use both brush and roller for this project. The paint I'm using, as I said, is Egyptian cotton. Is the same one I use for my living room. It's so beautiful and gives a luxury look to any home that you use this paint for, even bedrooms, living rooms, bathrooms. It just have a very cool warm tone. This one looked too dark here because of the lightening of the camera. So just continue. My plan is to paint this first before paneling, because I'm going to panel the wall. I'm going to show you the product I'm using for the paneling, and you are going to love this result. This is the first part of the bedroom makeover with the painting and paneling. When I finish, I'm going to do the full decor and show a video of that one too. And I can't wait to show you how the bedroom look now. So cozy, warm, neutral, and I'm so in love with it. Anyway, so this is just me continuing with my painting. As you can see, it looks so straight at the top. I'm just being careful using brush at the ends, because sometimes the top is white, and so I don't want it to run to the other side. That'll be an extra work for me to go and be covering it up with white paint again. It's very tricky sometimes. You just have to do just slowly manage and do your own thing. You can also pay someone to do this for you if you can't do it, but I call it DIY. That's why I do it myself, and it's so affordable. The whole of this bedroom DIY cost me less than £30 because the paint is already bought. I had it for about almost a year now. That's the one I used to paint my living room, and I had it there left. I also have the wood I'm going to use for the paneling. I bought it from Blanchford, the same place I've been buying my wood for. That 3 pieces for about almost £9 something. Yep, very cheap. I did not buy anything else. The tape I used, I already had it in my toolbox, so nothing did I buy really. This is how it's looking, almost dry. I'm going to leave it to fully dry before I take the tape off from the sides, and this is how it's looking. Actually, I pull my bed to the side, and well, it's finished. This is what we are going to do. I'm just showing you how it's going to look. The paneling I'm going to join them at the corner, like on each. So I'm showing you how I'm going to cut those edges. I use this tool to press onto the wood. It's like a 45-degree angle. Yeah, this tool I'm using has a marking. That's how it has cut through, so it couldn't cut through properly finished. So I'm going to use my saw to cut the end of it. So I turn the other side of the wood to cut that side too, just showing you how it all looks actually. And this tool is also bought from Amazon, and as I said, this whole project is so affordable or very cheap. Yeah, I'm telling you, I did all this project all under £30, and I'm so in love and I'm so proud of it. Yeah, oh god, I can't wait to show you how the whole thing looks. Anyway, that's how the wood look now. That's the woods I'm going to use on the wall. It's about 8 pieces of them, 2 short one at each end and then 2 long side. So I'm just going to do only 2 panelings there. I wanted to do about 3, 1 across and 2 standing, but I decided to put only 2 for now and see how it goes. If I need in future, I can put more, because I'm going to put a picture at the top of the bed. I also plan to put about 2 pictures, but then it will be too much. I don't want the bedroom to be too much, like full of things. It will be too much like a gallery. I don't want that. I just want to give it a style, have its own character, neutral, moulding looking. As you can see, my bed is black, so that's why I chose this paint color, about neutral or something like nude like that. Yeah, sorry, the video here, the lightning is also not showing the color properly. When I finish the end of the video, you actually see the color of the whole bedroom and everything properly. So I'm holding a piece of stick at the top of this paneling to give the whole work the same size, if you know what I mean, because I don't want to be using my rule at that time. So that's why I'm putting that wood on top of every of them to give it the same space, both at the side and at the top, to give the same space for me. That's the way I did this one. Previously I used to mark everything with pencil and all that, but this is the very simple paneling really. That's why I did not bother to mark it, and already I've painted the wall, so I did not want to make it a mess and have it come and paint over that one again. So I made the work, this one, very easy for me. This whole paneling took about 10-15 minutes because it's just sticking everything on very easy. I already put glue on. The glue I use is one old one I already had. I did not buy it, so it's just really good budget work I did, really not much bold, and the whole bedroom looked really good after the project. The other things that I may show in the next video are the few things I bought. I bought some things like a throw from Ducks. I bought a few flowers and stuff from is Temo, that new site, and I bought quite a few little things. I also bought like a few light bulb also from that same site, which is like colored little bulbs, give you some nice. Oh, and I forgot, I also changed the light in my bedroom. That is the favorite part of the DIY. The bedroom looks so cozy with the new light I have there, like modern light, girl. It's like, who is this? I've changed my whole bedroom now. If you come into the bedroom now, it's so warm and cozy for the winter that is coming, and I can't just wait to, anytime I wake up in the morning, I don't want to get out of bed. I just want to relax in there. Anyway, so let's get back to our painting. Now that I'm painting the wall, sorry, I've painted it already, so I'm just painting the panels that I put on there. So when I finish, I'm going to let all this work dry before I take the tape off. Yeah, I think I've taken the other side off. That's why it's very straight. You can see already very clean and straight, because I'm not going to paint that side anyway. So I took it off, and I think I took the top one to off. This part, it looked like I'm really tired already. Anyway, so this wood I'm painting, I'm going to paint about maybe 3 coats or 4, or depending, because the paint is not that much too thick, so maybe at least two coats will go on first. When it dries, then I'll go for a few more coats. Make sure it dries well, because it's wood, so you want the paint to go on well and dry so that it doesn't show the color of the wood showing through. So that's how it looks. And oh, I forgot to mention, I also have a curtain hanging there, new curtains. Oh girl, who is this? They are blackout curtains, which I bought. I think I made a video on it, but I'm not sure I shared it yet. I can remember it's a blackout curtain I bought from Amazon, and here is how the whole work is looking. It's almost dry, not fully dry, and so I'm going to let it like really dry through, and I'll show you how it's looking. This is the floor. It's so messy in the bedroom, as I saw you see. Everything is messy there, my sandpaper and all that. So currently this is how my bedroom looks. I've not finished decorating. This is just the first part of it, and letting the rest of the things dry. Everything is going to dry out. I've just sent my bed back, and this chest of drawer I DIY'd, and look at my makeup side. Yeah, I've DIY'd that one too, and look like my bedroom has changed a lot. So much difference from how it was before. Remember this chest of drawer I DIY'd? Yep. So this is how I look now. So luxury. And that lamp on top there is from Facebook. It's a pair of lamp I bought from Facebook about 2 years now since I moved in, and it's still looking good and looking new. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next coming video. Stay tuned and look out for the next coming video.
When no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.